Concerned over the prevalence of untrained elementary teachers, the state government is exploring all possibilities to ensure that all teachers are trained, even if not systematically. The government is looking at short-term training, orientation and motivation. This was informed by Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma. Meghalaya has 18,900 untrained elementary teachers, only 7 diets and 1 teacher training centre, with a total of intake of 550 trainees per academic session, which makes bridging the gap challenging.
Judgment of the Honorable High Court has also kept our state in the backward. So I think we will explore, but we will make sure all the teachers are trained. If not trained systematically, at least we can give some short-term training, some orientation, some motivation program, all that.